Late this afternoon, California is still struggling to contain one of its deadliest wildfire outbreaks. At least 15 people have died, and with so many homes destroyed, that death toll is expected to rise. Firefighters did have a slight advantage today with calmer winds. And as Dannielle Nottingham shows us, hundreds of additional crews are now joining the fight.
Wildfires continue to burn through California's famous wine country, wiping out neighborhoods.
It looks like chaos here, like somebody dropped a bomb or something.
Residents in this Santa Rosa community are returning to see the devastation after fast-moving flames tore through.
We have nothing. We left everything, and he just wanted to see if there's only a piece of our lives there.
Lisa Wannen found only a small cement slab with her and her son's hand imprints.
This is like out of a movie.
This used to be Tyler Shin's living room.
What you see on me right now is all I have left, and my family made it safe, so that's cool.
The fires here in Sonoma and Napa counties are still not contained, but a break in the weather is giving fire crews hope.
Our moistures are higher. We also had much less wind, which means firefighters were able to get in front of the fire and protect structures.
In Southern California, another wildfire in Anaheim has already consumed 7,500 acres and destroyed 24 structures. A thick cloud of smoke hangs over nearby Disneyland. Vice President Mike Pence visited emergency officials in Sacramento.
President Trump has approved a major disaster declaration for the state of California to assist in the response to wildfires.
So far this year, California has already had 1,500 more wildfires than last year. Dannielle Nottingham, CBS News, Santa Rosa, California.
As of this afternoon, the cause of those fires is still unknown.